We're continuing with our mitzvah number 3 of the 613 mitzvot in the order of as they appear in the Torah from the Beis HaChinuch. And it's the mitzvah of Gid Hanashe. This video should be a merit for my Rebbe, Rav Simcha Lev Yosef Gad Ezra ben Shenachana, and his holy wife, Dvora Bat Sheva Bas Chana. They should be able to continue to enlighten us, and just like the Torah enlightened us to understand Hashem and come closer to Him, and it should be also a schus for Klal Yisrael and the Shechina. So it's actually a very interesting mitzvah, a mitzvah that would appear that really nobody pays too much attention to. Not eating from the sciatic nerve, which appears to be something just a kashrut question, something just random. However, it's actually a very important mitzvah, like any mitzvah, but it's almost like a hidden mitzvah. Very few people think when they eat of, I'm making the mitzvah of not eating the sciatic nerve, when I eat meat. So the mitzvah of the sciatic nerve was given just after the fight of Yaakov with the Malach of Esav, or the Satan. There's a lot of hint that the Satan is connected to that. It says there's 365 negative commandments corresponding to the 365 days of the year, and the Gematria has Satan 364, which is basically saying that the Satan has power over the whole. He's fighting with us, so to speak, like he's fighting with Yaakov every day of the year, except one day a year. But the Gid Hanashe is the mitzvah that is connected to the day of Tisha B'Av. Explains the Zohar and the Arizal. So we see that it's something very deep here, hidden. The Gid Hanashe is something hidden in the body. And therefore it requires us to dig deeper if we want to understand this mitzvah. Another cherry on the cake, that's how I use Gematria as a nice cute cherry on the cake. The Hanashe, Gid Hanashe, is Gematria 360, Satan is 359. So with the kollel, we see in Gematria that they're very tied together. We had just said before the mitzvah of, spoke about the mitzvah number 2, which is the mitzvah of Bris Milah. And the Zohar also reveals that the Gid Hanashe is connected to sexuality. So we see that already the 3 first mitzvahs in the Torah, Peru Uruvu, which having children and multiplying, and the mitzvah of Bris Milah is directly connected to that. And then we have now the Gid Hanashe, which is the sciatic nerve that goes up till the bottom part of the spine, but connected to the sexual area also. We see that they're all 3 connected, and it's pushing us to really pay attention and work carefully with the potential that we have as human beings, the potential to create, the potential to produce and to grow. And it's telling us that there is something very destructive, so destructive that it can destroy the Beis Hamikdash. What is so destructive? What is the Gid Hanashe trying to hint to us that is so destructive, that is connected also to intimacy, sexuality, potential? The idea, as my Rebbe started explaining to me, that the nerve, right? We know nerve is the things that enables us to feel things. Right? The Gid Hanashe is one of the main nerve that enables us to feel our legs, but it's connected. When people know the pain of a sciatic nerve is very painful. You're basically almost paralyzed. You cannot move. How do we move forward? How would you rebuild